Hey, how's it going? I'm getting ready to modify the front end of the ZJ, and I wanted to show you what I've done so far. Um, I've marked this up right here, so I think I'm going to be cutting this down to the top of this indent, and it looks like it actually goes just past the metal that goes up and down right here, so it'll be inside of that, which actually is probably going to make it a lot stronger. So I think that's a good thing. And let's see, I pulled this wire out. It was fastened underneath here. It doesn't look like there's anything else under there, so should have a clear shot. That'll put the winch plate right above this, and then I'll check the angle here between the core support and then this, we'll just call it the front bumper here, but I don't want it to stick out any farther than that. So let's see, I also had to pull my transmission cooler off. I think once this is all set up here, there's going to be room for it right up here in the corner. I may have to cut this off. And then I also pulled the charcoal canister out from under the car. It's just sitting there right now. I think it's going to have to go up in here. I also ordered a performance air filter that's just a small air filter, so I'm hoping I can just put that maybe off to the side a little more, and then that charcoal canister will fit right here, because when you remove this air box, there's a ton of room right here. So I'm hoping with a new air filter that charcoal canister can just sit here. I was looking around for a charcoal canister, like a compact version, and I didn't see one. Also wondering if you could just cut the thing in half and then re-glue the bottom on. So it's instead of it being tall, you just shrink it down halfway, and I wonder if that would work. I've never taken one apart, so I'm not sure what's going to come out of it and how toxic it is. So if you know, maybe leave some comments below if that's even possible. I wouldn't think there's much vacuum pressure, so I think re-gluing the bottom on shouldn't be that big of a deal. So anyways, I'm about to get busy with the grinder, and I guess that's about it. So that's what's happening. You can see I pulled out the grill and the piece behind the grill, and then the headlights. It all comes out pretty easily. This will end up getting cut, I think, up almost halfway, probably right up to these nubs and over when the winch actually goes in. So we'll see how that goes. You know, every step of this is going to be just learning and feeling it out as I go. So I just want to take my time and get it done right. But the grills are cheap, so if I need to get another one at the junkyard, or I think even ordering them online, they're like 30 or 40 bucks. So I don't think it's any big deal. So I'm not too concerned about that. I do want to make sure that I have enough room and don't interfere with the air conditioner. The air conditioning is key. I go out to the desert a lot, so I don't want to damage this or have it not functioning at peak performance, I guess. So that's what I'm looking at now. You know, it's interesting because this goes all the way down behind this tubing or this channel, and it's all the way down here. So it's kind of crazy that this thing blocks a lot of airflow through the radiator and the air conditioning. So it may actually be beneficial that I'm removing about a third of it. So, all right, thanks for watching, and leave your comments. Please like this video if it was helpful. Thanks a lot. Bye.